All right, this is bitter melon, tilapia, and cayenne pepper. If you notice, I'm putting the thicker towards the outside, the thin towards the inside. Because I'm going to turn it flame on. So the outside's probably going to get a lot more heat. Don't need any butter. This, although it's in a chopped chives, we're using it because it's a sprinkle feature. This is bitter melon powder. I bought a bag of dehydrated bitter melon. I've had it fresh, raw, cooked. Did a couple things with it. Thought it was a very interesting thing. In the Indian, Asian, it's coveted as a medicine. But me, I'm using it for flavor. All right, we're making bitter melon, cayenne pepper, crusted tilapia. Now the nice thing about tilapia, it's like thigh meat and catfish. It's very oily. You can't overcook it. So it's going to give me that perfect crusting. And oh yeah, you're on my channel for one reason. You know I'm always doing things that no one has ever done before. I've been looking forward to doing this for quite a while. See, week before Easter. Actually, it's a Friday before. So Good Friday is in a week from now. All right, we got the one side done. Hold it. Let's finish that other. Oh man, you can smell it already. It's amazing. Jacques. I would love Jacques Pepin to try this. Uh-oh, Houston, we have a problem. We had a camera malfunction. Sorry about that. There we go. There's our bitter melon. Cayenne pepper. Vigorously. That's all you need. We're done. All right, hold on. We bought this for YouTube. This is our start stop. We're gonna hit start. Houston, we have a problem. Doesn't work. Alright, we got robbed. We're gonna have to get a bigger, larger display one. But we're gonna do a quick pause for the cause and we're gonna cook this up. Alright, make a big note. Definitely make sure you turn on that fan. Burnt cayenne pepper, you'll feel it in your lungs. Yes, I do. That's 3 minutes one side. I'm going to do a quick 3 minutes the other side. I didn't turn the fan right on. Whoa. But that's the crusting. Looks hot, right? Oops, I've cooked these a little too long, but... Oops, having trouble. Houston. There you go. This is what I've been looking for quite a while. That looks perfect. Now, what's in the pan? If I take these out, throw a little butter in there, even a little. Whoa, it's strong. Parmesan Romano cheese. What else? Anything. Just use some of that. It's a little added something bonus. Love it.